Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to disable Windows 10 update. So stay tuned, let's go. Hi guys, if you want to disable Windows 10 update permanently, simply go to your search bar in the button. As you can see here, type services. Okay, that's it. Click here. Okay guys, here guys, in this services, search for Windows update. That's it. Windows update. Right click, properties. Okay, here guys, startup type, select disable and then click apply, then click OK. Sometime usually the service will be active, so click stop first. Okay, then disable, startup type, click apply, then OK. That's it guys. Now as you can see, startup type disabled and the service status stopped. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.